Hi guys, so it's currently March 29 and we're currently at Narzagaray, Bulacan to have a camping. So from here, magbabalsa kami para tumawid lang doon sa kabilang side. So yeah, later papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sasakyan namin papunta doon sa kabilang side. So this is my outfit. Diba? Kuya Himatang Lawin. So guys, ayun na yung balsa na magtatawid sa amin sa kabilang side. Enchong, say hi. Hi, Enchong. Enchong, say hi! Aray! 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 Hindi ka kala niyo, hindi ko totoo. Lagi mo nga. Kala niya, wala akong banding. Ano nangyari? Ayan, hindi marunong mag-camping. Nasugat na. Kung dala ni Clyde, later. Yan. Betadine. Bakit? Gingered nga si Nora. Nandito kami ngayon sa Narzagaray, Bulacan kasi magka-camping kami. Overnight camping lang. And guess what? Nag-aayos pa lang ako ng tent. Ay, mama! Nasaktan ko lang yung sarili ko agad. So check. Here's my current view. Hi guys, so this is the aftermath of swimming sa river. Sa river ba to? River cruise. So guys, hindi ako nakapag-online for like 4 hours. Tapos nakita ko na lang panalo yung Ateneo ko. Against Adamson. Panalo sila. So as of the moment, nanonood ako ng UAAP. UST versus Lasal.
Ito mo yung mga kaladian mo.
Kita, ang corny nga eh. So guys, as you can see, this camping is not spontaneous. This is planned to celebrate the anniversary ng rowing team ng ate ko, which is yung Rampage through camping sa Norzagaray, Bulacan. So, good morning guys. I just woke up kasi sobrang napuyat ako kagabi because hindi ako makatulog kasi medyo malakas yung ulan. Kaya medyo hassle siya kagabi. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Plus, hindi ko ma-figure out kung lalakas ba siya ng super na to the point na papasok yung water sa loob ng tent namin. Kaya yan. Hi guys, so we're done swimming na and we're just gonna eat lunch and then aalis na. Hi guys, so we're having our lunch na and look at these 2 kids. Hi guys, so this now marks the end of our camping. It was very fun till it lasted. Hope there's more to come. Yay! Yay! So that's our transportation na gagamitin. Papunta dun sa parking. Smile. Show your tongue. Spider-Man.
Is there a shark in the river?